Hello word. I'm Alex, and welcome back to your daily dose of English vocabulary. Today, we're diving into a B1 level verb, consist. This word means be made up of. Let's unravel its meaning and explore how you can use it effectively. So, consist simply means to be composed or made up of something. Think of it like building blocks. What makes up the whole? What does it contain? You'll often see it used with the preposition of. For example, my breakfast consists of toast and coffee. Now, let's explore some synonyms. A close synonym for consist is comprise. For instance, the team comprises 5 members. Notice how comprise is often used to describe what makes up a whole group or structure. Another synonym is include. For example, the package will include a warranty. Think of it as one part belonging to a bigger whole. While include means something is part of something else, consist focuses on what something is entirely made of. Another useful synonym is contain. For example, the box contains my old school books. Contain is a bit more physical, talking about what something holds inside, while consist is a bit more abstract, like what something is conceptually made of. Another synonym is incorporate. For example, the recipe will incorporate fresh herbs. Now, let's move on to antonyms. Antonyms, of course, give us the opposite meaning. While it's a bit tricky to find a direct opposite for be made up of, we can think about what's not included or what's missing. One antonym is exclude. For example, the new regulations exclude certain types of vehicles. This means those vehicles are not part of the allowed group. Another antonym is lack. For example, the project lacks proper funding. This shows that something is missing from the project, the opposite of consisting of the funding. We could also use omit as an antonym. For example, please omit any personal details from the application. Omit indicates that something is being left out, not included, therefore not part of what something consists of. Another antonym is miss. For example, we will miss our deadline if we do not deliver the items. Now, let's talk about usage in everyday life. You can use consist when describing recipes, like this cake consists of flour, sugar, eggs, and butter. You can also use it when describing the ingredients in a product. The shampoo consists of all natural ingredients. Talking about teams, our soccer team consists of 11 players. Describing the parts of a city, the city consists of 4 different districts. Explaining what your diet involves, my diet consists of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. You might also hear someone say, happiness consists of appreciating the simple things in life. This suggests that the essence of happiness is found in simple pleasures. Here are a few more examples. The committee consists of elected officials. The documentary consists of interviews and archival footage. Success consists of hard work and determination. The beauty of the landscape consists of its diverse flora and fauna. Her duties consist of managing the office and scheduling meetings. And finally, the evidence consists of eyewitness accounts. To recap, consist is a B1 level verb meaning be made up of. We learned that its synonyms include comprise, include, contain, and incorporate. We also explored the antonyms exclude, lack, omit, and miss. We also looked at many different examples of how you can use this word in everyday life. That's all for today's episode of Hello Word. Thank you for joining me, Alex, as we explored the word consist. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and expand their vocabulary. Now for your challenge. Create your own sentence using the word consist and share it as a comment below. I can't wait to read them. Happy learning!